Today is May 6th, 2020. Right now we're going to be looking at language arts. Before we get into language arts, I do want to remind you all that Mother's Day is on Sunday. So you might want to start thinking about what kind of craft you could make your mom or grandma or aunt, whoever's special in your life. So maybe you can ask someone in your family to look online and find some activities or some crafts that you could do to make for that special person in your life for Mother's Day. All right, we're going to start with singular and plural nouns. So nouns are very important words to use when you write. If you do not use nouns in your writing, you would not know who the sentence is about what they are doing or what they did it with. Without nouns, writing would be boring. In this lesson, you're going to learn about singular nouns. You'll also learn about plural nouns, and we're going to be talking about abstract and concrete nouns. So right now, anything that's a noun names a person, place, or thing. They are also called concrete nouns. Then we have abstract nouns. Abstract nouns is a type of noun that you cannot touch. In fact, you can't use any of your senses with this type of noun. Abstract nouns can be ideas or experiences, states of being, traits, or feelings. Question number 1, matching. Matching with vocab. Our vocabulary words are noun and abstract noun. Our definitions: number 1, nouns that you cannot see, hear, smell, taste, or touch. Number 2, words that name people, places, and things. So you're going to type in the number that corresponds with the vocabulary word over here. All right, so now we're going to talk about just straight nouns. Singular nouns name one person, place, or thing. Remember that the word single means one. Single is part of the word singular. Book, can, rake, boat, they are all singular nouns. You might think about a person. A person is any person you can think of is a noun. Also, places like your classroom, a playground, your bedroom, your yard, those are all places of a noun. Things, a computer, a pencil, a paper, a clock, headphones, these are all nouns. For all of these nouns, you can use your 5 senses to see, touch, smell, or hear and find what a noun is. So nouns are singular nouns. Look, we have coffee. Ooh, my favorite. Fruit, soup. Question number 2. Identify the type of noun in this sentence. The noun is underlined. My family goes on vacation each year. Vacation. Is that a person, a place, or a thing? Question 3. Choose the correct noun in the sentence. Uncle Bill always goes with my family. We are so happy to see him. Person, thing, place. I'm going to say that Uncle Bill should have been underlined on that question. Question number 4. Choose the correct noun in the sentence. I lie down in the back seat covered with a blanket on our long drive. Blanket. Is that a person, place, or thing? Now we're going to go into plural nouns. Plural nouns are names of more than one person, place, or thing. Books, cans, rakes, boats. You have a slideshow here that you can click on and go through, and it's going to show you different types of plural nouns. The example words that are in there are showing you how singular nouns became plural nouns just by adding an S. But some nouns need a little bit more than just an S to make them plural. So trees, hats, cows, trucks, those are simple. Cupcakes, candy corns, muffins, they all just take an S. But some words that are special words have a special ending. We have learned about ones like child becomes children, which we won't be talking about today. but there are special words that have special endings that we have to know how to use in order to switch it from singular to plural to add something different. These words end in CH, SH, SS, or X, and you have to add an ES to those words in order to make them plural. For example, CH, we have benches, couches, branches. So all of these words you might want to jot down what they end in so that when you are doing your little lesson check quiz, you will have them to help you. So SH, we have dishes, brushes, and bushes. You have to add that ES. We have dresses, messes, and addresses. You have to add the ES to those words in order for it to become plural. Words that end in X, like boxes, foxes, and axes, you have to add an ES to those words in order for them to become plural. Question number 5. Change the noun from singular to plural. Be sure to spell correctly. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to type that word in the box and make it plural by adding something at the end. Number 6, change the noun from singular to plural. Be sure to spell correctly. So again, you're going to write the word beach in the box, type it in the box. You're going to have to add something to the end to make it correct. Number 7, click on the box to choose the correct noun in the sentence. The 2 red blank had cows in them. So you're going to have to click on the drop-down box to choose your correct answer. Question 8, click on the box to choose the correct noun in the sentence. My grandfather has one big gray blank. Click on the box to choose your correct answer. 9, click on the box to choose the correct noun in the sentence. 5 big blank were ready to take off. Choose the correct answer by the drop-down box. Question 10. Click on the box to choose the correct noun in the sentence. The zookeeper put 2 blank in the cage. Question 11. Click on the box to choose the correct noun in the sentence. Mother put many blank in her garden. Question 12. Click on the box to choose the correct noun in the sentence. I had an blank in my lunch today. Remember, the article and is going to tell us that that next word probably starts with a vowel. Question 13. Click on the box to choose the correct noun in the sentence. You may have one blank after lunch. Question 14. Click on the box to choose the correct noun in the sentence. Hundreds of blank grow on the hillside. Question 15. Click on the box to choose the correct noun in the sentence. We have 3 blank on the playground. Question 16. Decide whether each noun is singular or plural. You're going to go to the drop-down box and you are going to choose if it is singular or plural by choosing the words singular or plural. The first word is daisy, wagon, cats, snowstorm, brushes, carrots, camera, potato, uncles, seeds. So we talked about abstract nouns yesterday. When you use nouns that cannot be touched, seen, heard, smelled, or tasted, these are called abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are feelings, ideas, and sometimes events. Love is an abstract noun. You can see acts of love, such as your mom hugging you or people holding hands, but you can't see actual love. You can see a child, but you cannot see childhood. That is an event in your life that cannot be seen or felt. Other examples: beauty, fear, joy, dreams, thought, compassion, hope, power, hurt, success, courage, helpfulness, worry, luck, truth, friendship, happiness, misery, crime, calm, relief. Those are all different examples of abstract nouns. Most abstract nouns might talk about personality. They end with I-T-Y, N-E-S-S, T-H-A-G-E, or S-H-I-P. Those are all types of suffixes that help us to acknowledge that those are abstract nouns. 17. Which word is an abstract noun? The monkeys at the zoo have a lot of curiosity. Curiosity, monkey, zoo. Question 18. Which word is an abstract noun? The students laughed at the playfulness of these little monkeys. Playfulness, monkeys, students. Question 19, essay. You're going to have to type in this box. Explain the difference between an abstract noun and a concrete noun. Then, provide an example of an abstract noun in your explanation.